this hour. We're getting you the truth behind canards that are being spread at this time on certain payments that had been falsely, allegedly made between Republic TV and Hansa, that is coming out as fake news by certain media organizations. We put the record straight. We tell you the truth because the truth does not need crutches. We tell you the truth which has been coming out today, and very shortly we're also being told it's possible that the other party that is involved here will also be coming out with the truth. It appears that the Mumbai police, in connivance with certain other media groups that would want to cast aspersions on Republic TV, have been coming out with false news. Let me first go across to our editor-in-chief Arnab Goswami, and also joining me on this broadcast is our senior executive editor Abhishek Kapoor, to put the facts straight. Arnab, I come to you first because every unsubstantiated, lie-ridden conspiracy theory spread is now being called out by Republic TV. The facts that are now put out in the public domain are clear. We have not taken any payment whatsoever from Hansa. The fact is, any payments that had been made by Hansa Vision was on the basis of advertisement that was on an on-air advertisement that had been done for the period of October 2017 to 2018. All channels receive advertising, and that is all that happened. That was not even a crime, Arnab. And it's a fake news that's been peddled by the Mumbai police in connivance with certain other media groups.
Well, I'll name the media group. It is the Bennett Coleman Group. And the Economic Times is a newspaper published by Bennett Coleman. The Economic Times has said that the Mumbai police has told them that we have received 32 lakh rupees from Hansa Research, and has tried to insinuate that this 32 lakh rupees was paid by Hansa Research to us as part of a TRP scam. The first point is, I said yesterday, this beats any logic. Why would anyone, and I don't know what is going on in the Times of India group today, whether they are so desperate that they will publish anything. But let me ask the editors of the Economic Times a simple and fairly elementary question, which even by their editorial standards should not be difficult to answer. My question is, why would, first of all, Hansa Research pay me money to fix barometers? I should be paying. Till yesterday, you used to publish that I was paying 400 rupees to get people to watch me. Now you are saying people are paying me 32 lakh rupees to watch me. First of all, it does not have any logic. Second, no elementary research done. My problem with the Economic Times and the Bennett Coleman Group is today that it is my considered view, because of stories like this, that anything that the Mumbai police gives you against Republic, you will punish or publish. You will punish your viewers and you will publish the facts. What are the facts here? There is a global company. The global company puts out advertisements in the Republic Media Network. Why? Because we are the #1 channel. Who do they put the advertisement through? They put it through a company called Hansa Vision, which is not Hansa Research. Hansa Vision is a holding company, a media buying company, whose job it is to be the intermediary between clients and the platforms where the advertising is done. It's a simple thing called, it's a media buying agency. There's nothing wrong in media buying agency. So a global brand puts advertisements in Republic through Hansa Research. We should name Economic Times in the graphics. A global company puts out advertisement in Republic via Hansa Vision, not Hansa Research. Hansa Vision, along with RK Swamy BBDO, RK Swamy Group, are one of the most prestigious media buying agencies and organizations in the country. Bennett Coleman does business with them. Now, should I say that every ad therefore published in Bennett Coleman through RK Swami BBDO Hansa Vision in Times Now is a scam. What are they doing? Why are they publishing these lies? On what basis? A global company is advertising in Republic and there are ledgers, documents, everything available. What are you doing? How did you link this with Hansa Research? This is the biggest fake news story in a long time. By this logic, should I say that every advertisement put in Economic Times is a scam? My question there is, what is going on? What is the collusion here? This is advertising for God's sake. You have linked it to barometers because some, I don't know, I want to be polite in my use of the English language, Abhishek, because some dash, some, a person illiterate with the facts. In the Mumbai police has happily called you and told you, oh, we fixed something. There is a name Hansa that comes up. There is a Hansa. For God's sake, that is Hansa Vision. This is Hansa Research. You didn't do that much detail. You don't know about RK Swami, BBDO, Hansa Vision being media buying companies. How did you publish this? Then you publish it, then you childishly put out a tweak story. I said yesterday, what agenda are they running? And who gave you the news? See, Parambir's problem is, Abhishek, he has been repeatedly told, don't do this. Don't prejudice the probe. You know, they are feeding the monster. And every day they have to publish a news story. So every day these reporters go to Mumbai police, give us some scraps against Republic. And whatever they give, they publish. Now, today's story, however, has major consequences. So I am happy to inform you that I am telling Economic Times and Bennett Coleman, I'm very serious about this. You published a lie. You will either apologize, put out an immediate corrigendum with the prominence it deserves on your front page or with equal importance as the fake news story. You will publish it immediately, but within a 24-hour deadline. If you don't, you will face consequences. And on this, the facts are with me. I am also giving a 9 p.m. deadline to Parambir Singh and the Mumbai police. Did you feed the story? Did you give this story to Economic Times? Do you own up for the story? Do you have the facts to back it up? Because this Mumbai police sources rubbish must now end. Right, Abhishek? Did you give the quote?
Absolutely.
You have the facts with you, then publish it. Then show me the documents and put it out. You've already been pulled up by the courts, and I'm telling you, the courts are watching this because you can't do a press conference. You're sneakily putting in Mumbai police sources stories among my media corporate rivals. But I think it's gone too far. In fact, I'm having a meeting now with my legal team to initiate strong action on this. I hope that Hansa itself puts out something on this matter. I'm sure they do. They will. We have not done any business with Hansa Research. A lie has been published about us. And I am telling you now, more lies, more action. Abhishek, as I go into further meetings on this subject, and we are all aware that the CBI is now picking up the fake witness tapes also, I hand it over to you and Rhythm for more on this breaking news story.
Yes or no?
Thank you.